Are you a busy mompreneur struggling with perimenopause fatigue? You're not alone. Many women like you experience a lack of energy and motivation during this phase of their lives. But don't worry, there's a natural solution, essential oils. In this video, I'll cover the top 5 essential oils for perimenopause fatigue and the top solution for thriving through perimenopause. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacey Paulson. I'm an essential oil educator, 7-figure entrepreneur, and mother of 6 amazing kids. So I totally get the impact of fatigue on your life and on your business. Okay, so before I cover the top 5 oils and this missing link to actually thriving through perimenopause, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to discover other natural solutions. So essential oils have powerful properties that can help boost your energy levels and to combat fatigue. Here are the top 5 oils that you need to know, and then I'll tell you how to use them. First is peppermint oil. Its refreshing aroma and invigorating properties can awaken your senses, improve focus, and who doesn't need that, and combat that mental fatigue. The second one is lemon oil. This citrusy oil is known for its uplifting properties. Just a few drops in a diffuser or a glass of water can provide a natural energy boost. The third is rosemary oil. This one is known as the oil of remembrance. So rosemary can actually enhance your mental clarity, improve concentration, and combat mental exhaustion. The fourth oil is eucalyptus oil. Its revitalizing scent can open your airways, enhance your breathing, and boost your energy, leaving you feeling refreshed. And then the fifth is grapefruit oil. This energizing oil can actually stimulate your senses and help overcome physical and mental exhaustion. Its citrusy fragrance is also mood lifting, and I know we all need that, right? So before I show you how to use them and my top tip for not only overcoming perimenopause fatigue, but thriving through this time of life, make sure that you grab my Essential Oils Guidebook. I'll put that down in the description if you are new to essential oils. It's a free guide. I'll link that up so that you will know how to use these. Also, I will put a link for my perimenopause fatigue essential oil kit that you can grab. There's a 25% discount with the link if you don't already have essential oils. So these essential oils can be used in various ways, such as diffusing them. And if you don't know how to diffuse or which is the best oil to diffuse, you can check out this video. I'll link that up here and in the description. And also you can create a personal inhaler. I love these. If you're new to these, but these are awesome, you can put them in your purse on the go, basically have them around when you don't have a diffuser. And I created a video as well to show you how to make them if you want to learn how to make them. They're super easy, inexpensive, huge lifesaver as you're going through perimenopause fatigue or really anything else. Or you can add them to your skincare routine. I love putting just a drop in my moisturizer. You can actually put several drops in your moisturizing bottle. Find what works best for you and incorporate them into your daily routine to revitalize your energy levels. Now, the most important tip for thriving through perimenopause, especially as a mother and entrepreneur, is making sure that you're getting proper nutrients. The most impactful products that I actually use are called Lifelong Vitality Supplements and MetaPower. Now, I'm in my 50th year living on this earth, but my biological age, the age my cells appear to be, is only 41. That's what these can do for you. They can help your aging cells through this perimenopause and actually beyond, so that you have more energy, better focus, less pain and inflammation, faster healing, and boost your immune system. And also add support for those changing hormone levels. And you can check out that information here. I will put it in the video in the description. I'd also love to know what other changes that you're experiencing during perimenopause. You can put that down in the comments. So don't let perimenopause fatigue hold you back from living your best life as a busy mompreneur. Try incorporating these essential oils into your routine and feel the difference in your energy levels and your overall well-being. Now, if you found this information helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks to help busy mompreneurs just like you to thrive, and check out this next video on how to maintain a healthy weight through perimenopause.